All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, I got two mini camera M in the house, actually, and yeah, these are fantastic. One of my favorite toys because I'm a photographer and I'm using Leica M as a tool to take pictures, and these are Leica M inspired design. So this is that's the camera M, and obviously this is the mini camera M. So they are very similar but very different, and I'm gonna check them out. But you can check out fablades.com, see what's going on there, and you know what? Check out also at Fablades on Instagram. If you like pictures, if you like Instagram, you're gonna be there. So maybe check that out and let me know what you guys think about in the section below in the comments. So this is the camera M. It's in full zirconium, and it has a tape, a Teflon tape installed to reduce the inertia, let's say, the wearing, you know, of the inside, of course. And this guy, it just doesn't. That's the mini, and that's the regular size. So size-wise, we got like 49 millimeters up against 40 millimeters for the length. For the height, we have 31 and we have 25. For the width, it's pretty similar to from 18 to 17. So that's pretty similar. For what concerns the weight, guess what? I mean, this is bigger, this is zirconium, this is smaller, this is titanium, so it doesn't really make any sense, this comparison, but still, 117 grams up against 45 grams, so much more than twice the weight for this fella. But again, this is zirc. There's other similarity between these two fellas. Of course, they both are sporting a slot for a treat vial, which you can purchase separately and just install with some UV glue, and you're gonna have to cure it with some UV light. It's a little bit of a process, but you can still install these guys right over here. Another similarity, they both have a clicking shutter speed right over there, which is knurled in the collar just right around it. From this perspective, you have, of course, both lenses, like very, very similar, but there's a major difference. This guy, it's a clicker. This guy, it doesn't click, but it's just a haptic. So this guy, it doesn't spin, it just detaches like so and clicks. This guy, it doesn't unscrew, it doesn't click, but just ratchets like crazy, and it's beautiful. Another little difference, this fella slides in both sides, both directions, and has a set of 8 magnets per side. This, can you see from this side, is just screwed in, so you're not gonna be able to remove it. This guy doesn't slide this way, but has just a sliding direction on the other side, and has 4 per side bigger magnets, so 8 in total, and is like keyed in with these 2 teeth. So you can just decide if you want to slide it this way, or you can just decide if you want to slide it that way. Just up to you. I prefer it like this because that's my preferred direction, but still, it's pretty much the same. On the back, you have a little difference. Here you have a plate, which is titanium with a different anodization, and here you just have the solid chunk. The bottom is just unmarked for both. This guy has a hole just going through the body. This one doesn't, so I'm assuming this can be used as a paracord loop if you want to use this guy as a keychain, which is just brilliant. I mean, it's light, 40 grams. You're gonna have in your keychain, your key fob, backpack, whatever. It's gonna look good, and it's gonna keep you entertained if you're waiting or something at the bus stop or whatever, in your pocket, you know, post office. So guys, these are pretty cool toys. I know they're very expensive, but they are limited edition. So once these are gone, like for example, this is 99 made and this one is only 299 made. I believe there's a zirc and stainless steel version which was 199 made, so right in between these two guys. But as you might know, I'm a fan of zirc, so yeah, that's the way to do it. But still, titanium, very good, and also this one is not available in zirc. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.